Jim Holley, Supercross Live on supercrossonline.com. I'm here with one of the rookies in that 450 class. Trey Canard finishes up third in Phoenix. Trey, that was a good ride for you.
Yeah, I was really happy with the result. Third place in this group is it was really unbelievable. So just thankful for that. You know, I wasn't very pleased with the way I rode. You know, once I got around K-Dub, I just kind of tightened up and you know, just kind of froze. Never really found my rhythm, and you know, I was bummed on that. But like I said, the result is awesome, and I think it's something that you know, I can kind of take and build off of, and hopefully get more comfortable up there, and you know, start doing better.
You mentioned Kevin Windham. You pass a fellow Honda rider there, and everything's kind of clicking at that point. And then, like you said, you just got there and you just kind of froze. But I mean, there was really nothing. I mean, Villopoto and Stewart way ahead of you, and no one was really pressuring you as a rider. What's going through your mind at that point where, man, I don't have to charge. There's no way I'm going to catch that guy, and I got a big lead behind me.
Well, I mean, I don't think like that. You know, I wanted, you know, chase the guy in front of me, and you know, I just never could get going. And
that track was slick though tonight.
The track was slick, and a positive that I can pull out of it, I never came out of Phoenix actually without an injury. So you know, to come out of here this year with a podium and you know, some good practice times. I felt great in practice, and I felt like I actually rode really well, but just the main event was kind of struggling in. But
makes it a little easier when you get a third, and I'm talking about Dodger Stadium next weekend to get back on that bike, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, training and stuff. You have something to strive for, going, man, I want to get up. The next stop is the second spot, and the next stop's the top.
Yeah, you know, I just want to keep working and, you know, hopefully be up there at the end of the year. And you know, I don't want to, you know, do too much too soon, but, you know, I want to do the best that I can, and hopefully I can continue to build, and like you said, maybe go second, maybe go first. But, hey, I'll just keep working hard, and hopefully I can be up there.
We're hearing from Trey Canard. I know this guy works hard. It's going to be no problem. He's going to have a lot more podiums this year.